Hello everyone. The purpose of this video is to be able to identify a line of this equation here. And if we go back to the slope-intercept, we know that that's the slope and that this one is the intercept. And it's the y-intercept, right, to be specific. So this one here, the slope is 5, and we're going to go ahead and put a 1 underneath. And then my y-intercept is going to be -3. So the y-intercept being -3, that tells me that my line should hit the y-axis at -3. So this one looks good because it hits right there at -3. This one, -3 is right here, and the line is nowhere near hitting it. So that one is eliminated. This one is still good because it's hitting -3, and this one is also eliminated because it doesn't cross at -3. It's crossing more like at -4. So we're between this one and this one. Okay, so now we can move on to look at the slope. The slope being positive, that tells me that this line should be going up, right? So this one's going up and this one's going up. And this is a change in y over a change in x. So that means you go up 5 for every one that we go right? So because this is positive, this tells us up 5, and this one being positive also tells me right 1. So this is gonna be my answer. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then right 1. This one has a slope of 1/5, I think. You see, you go up 1, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one right here, this one has a slope of 1/5, right? Which is not the same thing as 5/1. So this one is eliminated, and this one will be my answer. Cool. Now, to do this kind of differently, on this worksheet, we're gonna try to see which one of these is the equation of this line, okay? So first, this line is going down. So this tells me the slope has to be a negative number. So here, the slope is 1, which is positive, so no good, that's eliminated. Here, the slope is also positive, it's no good. Both of these lines are going up, and my line is coming down. So I'm imagining that this one is gonna be my answer, but let's check. The y-intercept should be 4, it's right there. So the y-intercept checks, and then the slope is -3. I'm gonna put it over 1. And again, that's a change in y over a change in x. So this tells me that it's going down 3 and right 1. So let's see if that is in fact the case. So I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, and right 1. You see how I'm on the line? So that means that that's the correct one for this equation. Okay, let's try one more. Let's look at number 3. So number 3, this line is going up, so the slope has to be a positive number, and the y-intercept should be 6. Oh, sorry, -6 because it's down, right? So -6. So if you look at the y-intercept, this one's good, this one's good, this one's good. And this is going up, so we said the slope is positive, so because it's going up, the slope is positive. So this slope is negative, that's no good. So it's gonna be one of these two, okay? So in this one, the slope is 3, and we're gonna put it over 1, change in y over change in x. So this means up 3, right 1. This one here, the slope is 5/2. Again, change in y over change in x. So this means up 5, right 2. So let's see, I'm gonna go from here because I know that point. Do we see another point? It's really hard to see. Maybe that's gonna be the point right there. It's kind of hard to see. Let me see here. Let me try this 3/1. So 1, 2, 3, and over 1. That's pretty close. Let me try this 5/2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Oh yes, so that's my answer. So the slope here should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a change in y is 5. And then 1, 2, that's a change in x. So this is the slope that works for this one, and then this ends up being my answer. Okay, good luck. Try the rest. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. Thank you.